Hello students. So today we are going to do one of the important topic in topographical map, that is four-figure grid. Before the calculation of this four-figure grid, we need to identify the two terms here which is given as eastings and the second word is northings. So what are eastings? I have given with a vertical lines. Vertical lines running from north to south since they indicate a distance east of the origin of the grid reference. Now what are northings? This is a horizontal lines from east to west since they indicate a distance north of the origin of the grid reference. Let us understand well with the help of a world map. Okay, so this will be easily identifiable by the lines of longitude and the lines of latitude. Eastings are basically the same. Okay, so let us look at these lines. What are these lines which are running from the north to south? These are the longitude lines. Okay, and from how it is running, so our India is located on the eastern part of the Greenwich Mean Time, which is having a 0 degree value. Now, our India is lying on the east part of it. So, whatever the longitudinal lines which we look around here, these are all the eastings. Now, when we look at the degree here, so we find this is a 50 degree, so we will say it is a 50 degree east. When we say this is 60 degree, we will say 60 degree east. When we look at 70, we say 70 degree east. So like this way, the easting lines are going on, same as on the longitude of a map. Then next go to the latitude part. Okay, so latitudes, these linings which are running from the east to the west. Okay, these are the latitude lines. Okay, so when we look at our India, what can we infer from the 0 degree equator? From the 0 degree equator, the lines are moving to the north. Okay, this line is also north, this line is also north. So what we can find that these are all the northing lines. So whatever the degrees which will come here in a line, those will be indicated with the north. Suppose after 0 degree, this is 10 degree, so we will indicate like 10 degree north, 20 degree north, 30 degree north, 40 degree north, 50 degree north. So these linings are the what? Latitude, and here we will say it is a northings. Okay, so I hope this part is done. So on the topographical map, you have to identify or calculate the four-figure grid with the same method. Easting numbers should be written first, then no, after that the other two digits we will be writing on the next. Okay, so in a four-figure grid reference, the first two figures are the eastings and the last two are the northings. A four-digit grid reference XXYY helps to identify an area. So let us do with the help of the topographical map. I am having this map. So this is the Survey of India map, 45D by 7. I am taking four-figure grid reference of spot height 285 of this topographical map. So spot height 285, what can be the four-figure grid of it? So as it is mentioned, easting should be written first and northing should be written the next. Okay, these are all the easting lines, fine, and these are all the northing lines. These are all the northing lines, fine. Now first we need to write the easting. So what you will do here, suppose the spot height is located here in this particular box, so you will just identify that this is your hand and your arms, and you are just holding it like this, which place, that is the spot height 285. Okay, you are holding it. Okay, so how you will hold it, you need to first identify the eastings of this. So 0.285, this is the line that you need to take, which is it is given 94. So the spot height 285, easting is 94. Now next come to the northing, that is 285. Now you are taking up this place, that is this feature in your arms. So you will unfold your arm, you will see that this is the line which is having the northing, that is 84. So you will write after easting 84. So these two are eastings and these two digits are northings. Okay, so that will be your four figure grid. This was the simple one that we have done. Similarly you can do with 466 also. Similarly you can do with the 444 spot height also, 544 42 spot height also. But let us look at this feature. This is a triangulated height 268. How you are going to calculate this four figure grid? Okay, this is given in this particular line. What is given? The symbol, not the number. Number can be written here, but the feature must be focused on. Okay, feature must be focused on. This triangulated height is given here, and this is the line where it is just line. Okay, so this line you need to take as an easting. So easting here, this is the line which is given, that is 95. Okay, so triangulated height 268 is, what was that? 95. Let us look at the northing. So this is the line we have taken, and now northing is this digit, that is 83. So this is your northing. You have got your four figure grid. Now let us come to the next example. Like I am telling you how many types of four figure grids that can be asked. So you should not be confused. Always the feature will not be inside the grid. It can lie on the easting line, it can lie on the northing line. So how you need to identify it? Suppose this is the spot height 399 which is given. So you need to look at this particular box, not here. Okay, the number is maybe anywhere, means surrounding it, but the point is where? Inside this box. So you need to focus on here only. Okay, now the next part is that is settlement. Let us look at the settlement. Settlement also the four figure grid can be asked. Suppose this is Khara settlement. So find out the four figure grid of the Khara settlement. Okay, so what you are going to do here, that is this particular settlement and all the small huts which are located is lying on this line. So you need to first look at this easting, that is 96, and this northing, that is this Khara, this northing, that is 86. So this will be your four figure grid of settlement Khara. Let us look at the last thing which we are moving on to in the calculation of four figure grid. So it can be asked in the question that in the northeastern part of the topographical map, what is the four figure grid of fairly dense mixed jungle? Okay, so now you will be confused, ma'am, this box we need to consider or this box, because the whole thing is written within these two boxes. So how you are going to identify? Just concentrate on the that is spellings, how it is written. So in this box fairly dense and half portion of mixed is written, and in this box half portion of mixed and jungle is written. So in which box so many numbers of letters are there? That is in this box. Okay, fairly dense mixed is written, and here only jungle part is shown. So this box you are not going to give importance. You will focus on where the maximum part is written. So fairly dense mixed is written. Most probably you will see that this box is the appropriate one, because here only the maximum things are written in letters. So you will take this box, and what can be the easting here? 99. So what you will write here, that is fairly dense mixed jungle. Okay, its four figure grid will be, first one was 99, and let us look at the northing. The northing will be 88. Okay, northing will be 88. So 88, 99 and 88 will be the answer. This is how you are going to do your four figure grid. I hope you have understood this very well. Thank you everyone.